welcome to another episode of Car Vibes. Now, today's topic was inspired by a snack that we just had. Patty! But before we get to that, I'm Julie, your host as usual, and my co-host,
Mr. Merchant himself.
yeah, you hear him clapping his mouth? Yeah, we just finished a snack. So, technically it's really late in the evening. We can really call it breakfast and lunch because we never actually ate anything today. But, so Patty, discussion that everybody always jump on, what is the best tasting patty joint in Jamaica? A lot of persons are all for
Spoiler alert, beef.
A lot of persons are saying tasties, a lot of persons are saying juices. If you hear somebody say mothers, well,
Then can go check off. Check off something.
No. If you hear somebody say mothers, if it's not for the patty but the chicken,
The chicken.
Yeah.
If you not know at all.
No. I'm not going to do that. Listen to me, people. The first time I tried mother's chicken was when I was living in Portmore at the time. And trust me, I never know them chicken they taste that good. I don't know if it's just that area alone.
Tasty?
Yes, actually, it tastes better than Tasties. I don't know if it was just that day that I went, the chef just did nice and feel good, or the chef birthday or something, whatever it is, but it did taste good, did it? And it's not really just that day alone per se, but them chicken tastes good. Them patty can't work, but them chicken, finger tap. Now, back to what I was saying. Between juices and tasties. Now, I'm not gonna really play politics in this right now, but to say the best patty joint is kind of difficult for me because I've been around in different patty places, and different patty tastes different from different parishes, to be very honest with you, because when I used to live in town before I used to live in the country, and it was all tasties for me. You couldn't get me to eat a juicy patty after, I try it and I never like it.
Ooh, damn.
Oh no, poor thing. But when I had to move to live in the country, St. Thomas to be exact, and taste is better. Who don't know, St. Thomas don't have KFC and Burger King and Popeyes.
Them not have KFC now. No, they not have Popeyes. That probably next 25 years.
I don't know. We'll have to go check back. But back then, I was only the top fast food place was Juices and Tasties, and technically they were literally almost side by side. They were on the same stretch of road, right? School over. Me and my friends said, alright, we're gonna chill, we're gonna buy some food. It was a Friday evening, etc. Go now, I say, guys, come, we're gonna go taste this. People them start laugh after me, like full blown laugh, drop a girl, and some of them, like they were real friends. And it is me. What could I say outrageous now? Like I don't know, I never get it. Them are like, taste this. What you talk about? This is that tastes good. I mean, look on people and say them no good food. Maybe we could treat them to a party. So them say before them are gonna treat me to a party, but they want me by the Tasties party first. I say, alright, not a problem. Guys, I don't know what kind of something going on, but it looked like said the juicy beef truck go on the Tasties of St. Thomas, and the Tasties truck got a juicy beef down there because the patty wasn't it wasn't all that. I was like, I can't taste this patty. Me know what I'm doing, but it was not the patty that I'm used to in town. It just tasted so different, right? So when I go over and people, I find them still laughing, but them did buy me a patty. How nice of them to buy me a patty, because I couldn't eat the patty that I bought. So them buy me a patty, ready and waiting, and I said, come Julie, try this. So I'm gonna try it. This is me. You sure this one don't taste this patty? I was so shocked, I was mind blown. I was like, this is juices? So I feel like them make a switch and them never know. Me feel so, because I could not believe it was a juicy patty I was eating. And the whole time I was living in St. Thomas, could not buy nothing tastes except unless it was nuggets. Nothing else but nuggets. Everything we buy are juices And that time patty was $140. Can you believe?
Good times.
Good times, no patty expensive. Right, but and then Clarendon, when I was passing through Clarendon, there's a nice
Headquarters.
the headquarters there for Juicy's. Tastes good. It actually tastes good, guys. I don't know what's going on for the town version, but it look like so the country the country post them actually taste good, but the juices there weren't bad.
This is my 2 cents. To this day, I will still give it to taste this. Now, going to you, of course, Juicy was the thing because, you know, Juicy beef is on campus, so it was always Juicy. But the best patty me ever eat, me and Pops said that was the other day. The best patty me ever eat was from Tasty's food cart truck back when we used to go to high school. The best patty ever. First of all, you have to ensure so your mouth have enough half. Because you're hot. Hey, let me say you're hot, you know. Sometimes you used to burn your lip, you know. But guess what? You used to see long lines at this Tasty food truck. And it was absolutely amazing. To this day, even Tasties in a town that taste like it. Other tasty restaurants when we go around the island don't taste like it. Something just different. With that said, however, something about hot tasties patty anywhere you go in the country, a hot one
Are the best.
Note me say a hot one
It's the best.
is the best, hands down. And at the same time, if me if choose between a cold Juicy and a cold Tasty, definitely a cold Mother's, Tasty are still a go win for me.
Yeah, because it actually still whatever they use in their patty is
It's still good. It's still good.
Don't get me wrong, people. Before I start a riot.
Juicy a second place or close second.
No,
Juicy.
don't get me wrong. I am all for a Tasty's patty. I'm a Tasty's girl, but I'm not going to pretend that I haven't tried some Juicy's patty and it tastes like it could have slapped what Tasty's. Because I'm saying in different in different parishes, the patty them taste different. I don't know if it's just it's not just me because I've asked other persons. The patty them taste different. I said Tasty's Crossroad tastes damn good. Good. But as I said, it's Tasty's St. Thomas. Unless them change your taste now. But back then, the line in Juices used to be longer. Tasties used to kind of empty. It's not empty now. But don't get me wrong, it don't empty now. But Juices used to have more people because them patty they taste way better. And that was just the fact back then. I don't know if them fix them issues or whatever. I haven't been there from
long time.
For a very long time. Should go back to the roots, you know. But anyways.
Can I make a country trip?
No, not with that road though. Them a fix and them already start to fix so that name. That road name. Buff Bay? No. Bull Bay. Bull Bay. Bull Bay. So the traffic there is not normal. But guys, we just had a nice snack.
Yeah, man.
Patty. And
you never taste one. It was a tasty patty. We can't taste it.
Yeah, it was a tasty patty, but
Chicken
I've had better.
Chicken is not my thing.
I've had better. I prefer beef patty or cheese patty. And when they had introduced jerk chicken patty, I was all for it. Mandel is not all for the fancy man. She's all just plain beef. He's all for the beef.
Beef all the way. Something about beef patty just hit the spot, me I tell you. Cheese patty not come close. I care when the body wants to say. If I eat alone, I want to eat it because patty a patty. But beef patty, something else.
Yeah. For him alone, cheese patty is the best for me because it gives that extra kick in the patty if you ask.
Which extra kick?
Yeah, it gives it an extra kick, man. They're like, guys, here I am eating a regular beef patty and everything, and then whop, so one man say, you know what, get one of them tasties cheese, sliced cheese, and just slap it in between and
What?
make it go.
You put cheese inside of the patty?
Yeah.
Why?
That's how it makes.
Not everything in life.
Anyways,
deserve
slapping
addition.
a tasty sliced cheese in there. You guys know the type of cheese I'm talking. Probably not in the different one. Right? Slap it and it's still hot and it melts and tastes good. And when you, guys, I'm all for a cheese patty. All for a cheese patty. And beef patty is not bad. Especially when it's hot.
A hot beef patty make it go half.
Yeah. That burns gum and everything.
Yeah,
I like them. I like patties, but boy, time rough. Patty is so long.
But when I'm going at the know what is a gas station.
Oh my God.
Right? I'm gonna get some gas. Alright. So I'm going at the gas station and for buy a little snack. And I say patty. Well, I smell the patty. I'm asked if them have them. Say yeah, them have beef patty, no beef patty, chicken patty, and the last two patty that's there. And so I asked how much one. She said, "What, 340?" I was like, why? Yeah, I said 140 for patty. I remember when the patty was 120.
Yeah, it used to be 120 when I was going to school.
So looking at it, I'm like, yo, look which part we reach in Jamaica land we love. We love Jamaica. No. 340 for your patty. A little piece of patty when time you take 1 and 2 bite for me is 1 and 2 bite. I hate that, you know. I hate that. The only time I can take little bit of bites if me have a half. You get me? I say I have to pinch little by little. But you have the patty warm like it was, I 1 and 2 bite that and it done. You get me? I say me upset. This is a Jamaica. This, to be fair, patty should be in the running for Jamaican nationality.
What?
Yes. Yeah man. Beef patty.
Patty used to be poor people food. Patty is middle class food right now.
Hey, me say poor enough. As far as me see, them price they are my budget now match. You get me? I try to say me still poor.
This tastes weird. Taste this. Anyways, guys, why am I on this tuna now?
Marshmallow.
But how that marshmallow tastes, but
It's not marshmallow.
it does have a weird taste. Guys,
Tastes like medicine.
Yeah, exactly. It has that weird taste. Don't mind us. We bought something called Candy Girl gummies.
And shit, the woman they heavily promote that, you know, 150 for.
150 for what?
Yeah, new upon the black man most.
Right.
Then just threw
So-
a bunch.
we were trying this thing. I don't know. Yeah, see there. This Candy Girl gummies, but there's this thing in there. It looks like vampire teeth.
What? I don't
Yeah.
feel if you eat
It's
with
teeth.
swag, give me a
It looks like vampire teeth, and guys,
Come on.
You want it?
You know the vampire.
Oh, you want something else?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
It wasn't the bomb. It wasn't the bomb at all.
It's
So,
like medicine.
yeah,
But
everything else in there was great, but that one wasn't off. But guys, back to the party.
I could promote gummy girls.
Stop. I already showed them.
Nothing can buy. You can go on people. No go and buy.
Anyways, the verdict of everything. I am all a tasties person. He's all for tasties persons. I am a beef and cheese. He's a total just beef. He's all he's not, willing to jump from one train to the other. I'm a foodie, so I have to try.
I am a loyal dog.
Yeah, he's a loyal dog to Tasty, but I am a foodie. Right? I'm kind of like a food critic personally. I'm not talking about anything like that, but I'm like a food critic. I try different foods to see if it tastes good.
Chef American tongue just.
If it tastes good, etc. Right? So I'm not go. I can't promise anybody I'm gonna be loyal to them, because if your food don't taste that great, I'm gonna find somewhere else.
For better, for worse, through thick and thin, I am sticking with this.
Tea is better for worse, right? Because, guys, you have some people where we just, no matter how bad the taste is, but it tastes. Or no matter how bad the juice is, but it tastes.
I'm like those loyal.
They're gonna stick to it
loyal
same way.
PLP or loyal JLP people there. That's how I am with Tasties party. You can't get me switch parties. You get me? I try to say Tasties all the way. Even if them do something bad, even if I'm going to the restaurant and see one little mouse that run down the road.
Rough. That's rough. That's not true.
Me still.
That's the thing. Do not listen to Mandel. Mandel not going to that. First of all, if I see a rodent coming out of our kitchen, that's the fastest I'll be shooting out that place. Me and you say, but when I have no competition, I'll be winning. You hear me? I'll be winning.
Oh, talking about that. I see a big bug on the bed today. I go back in the room.
On crickets? Man, them crickets?
No, it's like a bees times 20.
Oh, you found a queen bee?
That is not queen. That is something else.
You take a picture?
I think it was the hornet them big.
Oh, yeah.
Some big something like
you never take a picture?
Flying at the house. Well, him kinda get slapped up a couple times. So I'm kinda just scoot him out the door. I'm not dash him away still. The hands to leave him outside.
Oh, okay. Well, my hero, because I wouldn't be going into that house at all.
About 10 times slap him and he's still moving.
I'll be staying outside, people. The islander ain't good with bugs or anything that fly or
people,
crawls.
Just to say, you know, going off on a tangent here. If one little bees or one little fly come in, woman jump out her bed and run up and down. If me asleep, and me not extra real because she's done it a couple times.
I have actually.
Wake me up out of my bed. Bug.
And it's actually exactly how it goes out. Bug. Nothing else.
And just point. And then look, yeah, wide open. And look and stare and stare. Every time dark. At the one time the place dark and I eye wide open and I see.
Guys, I seriously have a phobia with these insect things. Cannot.
Then they're not trouble here.
Hello, when we used to live in Papi, the largest insects I've ever seen.
Nah, go lie.
I don't know if over there is the new Amazon forest, but the spider them come like this with my hand. Me and them, my hand and for them hand could have make it.
Me too for that spider. I'm not gonna lie. Just stay pretend.
Listen, Mandel is a big guy. And Mandel afraid of them too.
Spider did it.
He has to be brave to ensure that I will get panic attacks. So he has to be brave.
You did get a panic attack.
Yeah, I did. Oh my god. But he was brave. So clap me for that. But guys,
some huge ass.
What huge ass spider?
Lisa will look like iguana. Spider will look like them tarantula they always see in the movies. Some 40, hey, remember I'm saying 40 leg, you know, that wasn't like a bus size 40, that was a train size 40 leg. Wait, I smell it.
Wait, no, taste this. You taste it before me.
Oh, so me feel it first.
Sorry guys that we're in the video eating us, but like I said, we didn't eat anything. Don't even know. Like I said, we haven't ate anything from the day except this is the patty that we actually ate before, but this is not good. Right? I don't know. It just don't taste good. So the gummy bear worms are fine. But to end our...
That's what that tastes like steamed marshmallow.
But to end our long and prolonged video, Jamaica has two great patty joints. Tastes and juices. Mothers to me, I think they should just let the patty thing alone and then go convert to a chicken place, because some places that I go to, the Crossroad one, I mean sometimes the meat can be dry, but the Portmore one, never have an issue.
But it tastes like Lasco.
Alright, I'm alone to that. I'm not a milk person, so can't really tell you. But guys, thank you for watching another episode of Car Vibes, and I hope you are liking, subscribing, watching to the full length of this video.
We have more coming,
and sharing with other people, because you know we're bored in traffic, and we'd appreciate if you just take that button out. Guys, I hardly remember to say this. Like, subscribe, comment.
Yeah, sure.
Always remember. I'll never remember what I remember today. So see you tomorrow. on another episode of